Most Canadians are doing finance wrong. I share the system that actually works. I'm Theo Varn, and this is Varn Capital Labs, where we break down the systems behind real wealth building in Canada. In the last video, we broke down the 3 accounts every Canadian needs to build wealth: the TFSA, the RRSP, and the cash buffer. Today we're making it concrete, because the number one question I get is, I have money to invest, where does it actually go? So today I'm going to walk you through exactly how I would deploy $1,000 a month in Canada, step by step. No guessing, no noise, just the system. Before we talk about where the $1,000 goes, 2 things need to be in place first. 1. Your cash buffer. If you do not have 3 to 6 months of living expenses sitting in a high-interest savings account, that comes before investing, every time. Without a buffer, one emergency forces you to liquidate investments at the wrong moment. Build the foundation first. 2. Your high-interest debt. If you are carrying credit card debt at 19 to 22% interest, paying that down is the highest guaranteed return available to you. No investment reliably beats 20%. Clear that before deploying into markets. Once those 2 conditions are met, you are ready to invest. Now here is where the $1,000 goes. The annual TFSA contribution limit is $7,000 for 2026. That is nearly $600 a month. This is your first destination. Growth assets, tax-free, forever. No tax on the way out. And if you have never maximized your TFSA before, your total cumulative room as of 2026 is $109,000 if you have been eligible since 2009. That unused room carries forward indefinitely. It is waiting for you. So from your $1,000, $600 goes into your TFSA automatically every month. Step 2. Direct the remaining $400 into your RRSP. Especially if you are in a higher tax bracket, that contribution reduces your taxable income immediately and generates a refund. When that refund arrives, it goes back into the system, not into spending. That is your base split. $600 TFSA, $400 RRSP. Automated, every month, same day, no decisions. Next, and this is where most people overcomplicate it, they spend hours researching individual stocks, trying to time the market, chasing returns, and they consistently underperform people who do almost nothing. Here's what the evidence actually supports: a simple, low-cost ETF portfolio. For most Canadians, one of these 2 approaches works. Option 1. A single all-in-one ETF. Something like XEQT or VEQT. One fund, global diversification, automatic rebalancing. You buy it, you add to it every month, and you never touch it. That is the entire strategy. Option 2. A simple 3-fund portfolio. A Canadian equity ETF, a US equity ETF, and an international equity ETF. Slightly more control, same low cost, same long-term result. Both options are available through any Canadian brokerage: Questrade, Wealthsimple Trade, TD Direct Investing. Buy the same thing every month. Do not watch the price. Do not react to headlines. Do not switch strategies when the market drops. The system works because of time and consistency, not because of timing. Let me show you the math. $1,000 a month, simple ETF portfolio, 7% average annual return. That is a conservative long-term estimate for a diversified equity portfolio. After 10 years, roughly $173,000. After 20 years, roughly $521,000. After 30 years, roughly $1,227,000. Same $1,000 a month, same consistent system. No stock picking, no market timing, no noise. And remember, the growth inside your TFSA is completely tax-free. The RRSP contributions are reducing your tax bill every single year. The system is working on multiple levels simultaneously. Most Canadians look at $1,000 a month and think it is not enough to matter. The math says otherwise. You do not need more money to build wealth. You need an effective and proven system that deploys the money you already have, consistently, over time. In the next video, I'll break down why saving money alone will keep you broke, and what to do instead. Subscribe if you're building, not just earning, No noise, no hype, just the system.